erode office space, new space is coming on, so it almost makes it look like we're standing still. So there is activity in the marketplace. Clearly landlords want to make deals, they need to make deals. We're going to see, continue to see high concession packages, more by way of free rent, more by way of tenant improvement contributions. I think renegotiations of existing leases can be the most effective, because if you move the cost to build out new spaces, even though the tenant improvement allowances are generous, you're going to probably spend more than the allowance. I think renegotiations create good value where you can apply a portion of that allowance as a rent credit. But I think it's going to take several years to erode this vacancy. So we've seen vacancy rates hit all-time highs, and we're in the low 20s now. That takes into account the subleases. There's a lot of subleases in the market. It's a little bit misleading because it increases the vacancy rate, but it doesn't necessarily really reflect the weakness that landlords are feeling, because we need to remember that a sublease is a space that a landlord's still collecting rent on. So we're in a marketplace where different landlords are feeling different pain levels. Some landlords believe that we're in a marketplace that's going to take 3 years to recover, and if their rent roll is strong enough, they're not going to be as aggressive as another building that has more rollover and has a greater need to make deals. That being said, it's a bit misleading as well, because even as the market starts to absorb space, we have new buildings coming on at the same time, whether it's a new Fulton Market building, BMO Harris's new building, Bank of America, Salesforce. So as we erode office space, new space is coming on, so it almost makes it look like we're standing still. So there is activity in the marketplace. Clearly landlords want to make deals, they need to make deals. The market's going to remain soft for a long time. That we're going to see landlords try to hold relatively firm on the base rental rates, the face rates as we call them, because it has such a strong impact on the valuation of their buildings. But concessions are going to continue to be generous, and I would expect for us to see that for the next few years.